Finding your iPhone 14 lost a significant amount of charge overnight can certainly be perplexing. Excessive battery drain while your phone is idle points to potential causes like background app activity, software bugs, and hardware defects. Pinpointing the issue is essential to resolving overnight battery drainage. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Review the background app usage. To conserve your iPhone's battery power overnight, it's important to check which apps are using the most background battery. You can do this by going to Settings, Battery. If you notice that certain apps are consuming excessive power even when you're not using them, it's best to force close or remove their permissions. This will prevent unauthorized background activity and help save your battery. Additionally, restricting background access for unused apps can further extend your iPhone 14's battery life. Enable low power mode. To conserve power, it's recommended to activate low power mode before going to bed. This feature pauses background app activity and reduces performance. To enable it, go to Settings, select Battery, and turn on low power mode. This will limit overnight background drainage and extend the lifespan of your iPhone 14's battery when idle. By reducing battery trickle drain, low power mode helps your device maintain its charge for a longer period of time. Update to the latest iOS version. To ensure a good night's sleep and preserve your battery, it is important to update your system software regularly. To do this, go to Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. Install any available updates. Keeping your iOS current will fix battery bugs and ensure that your iPhone 14 can sleep properly overnight without any drain issues. Factory reset your iPhone. If your iPhone's battery is draining overnight, it could be due to corrupt software. To fix this, it's recommended that you back up your data and reset your device. To do this on an iPhone 14, go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. And choose Erase all content and settings to factory reset your device. This will reboot the entire system and often resolves any software bugs causing battery issues. Have the battery checked. If you have tried software fixes to solve the problem of excessive battery drain on your iPhone 14, but it persists, it's possible that the battery itself is deteriorating. To confirm this, it's recommended that you visit an Apple store to have it checked. You can make a Genius Bar appointment where Apple will run diagnostics on your battery's health and performance. If necessary, they may recommend a battery replacement. Proper battery testing determines if its capacity is degrading, requiring replacement to prevent overnight drain issues. And those are the things you have to do to fix a problem like this. We hope this guide can help. Thanks for watching.